In 2023, a prophecy swept through the tech world. It felt like an extinction-level event for an entire profession. Leading figures and researchers boldly predicted that by 2025, artificial intelligence would replace up to 80% of software developers. We were sold a future of tireless digital agents. They would never sleep, never ask for a raise, and never introduce a bug. The hype was intoxicating. Complex software, summoned by a simple prompt, a future that did not require human coders. 2024 ended with 152,000 tech layoffs to prepare for an AI-centric reality. By Q1 2025, giants like Intel and Amazon cut more roles to realign for AI. But in 2026, those miracle tools are being sidelined. Reuters, 97% integrated AI, yet two-thirds saved zero headcount. The magic hinged on vibe coding. Describe the app, and it appears. A login page with a blue button? Done. It felt like a superpower in demos. Suddenly, everyone looked like a developer. Stanford research quickly exposed the flaw. AI code is simpler, more repetitive, less structurally diverse. It builds bricks, not cathedrals. Engineers now call it the slop layer, code that works but nobody understands. Short memory, no system context, no why, only what. Small changes trigger unpredictable failures. Yes, a junior can be 35% faster, but maintainability suffers. Quick fixes became permanent problems and debt. Replacing humans with cheaper AI fueled a giant mistake, a global technical debt crisis. Cast analyzed 10+ billion lines of enterprise code. It would take 61 billion workdays to pay off the debt. Code cloning is spiking. 4 hex in AI-heavy projects. Reusable logic replaced by duplication. One bug becomes a hunt across the system. Veracode, 45% of AI-generated code has critical flaws. In Java, failure exceeds 72%. Models learn from the public web, good, bad, and malicious. Those patterns get baked into new software. The slop layer can pass tests, then crumble in production. If we keep borrowing, interest could bankrupt teams. AI was supposed to free humans for architecture. Instead, seniors became AI babysitters, fixing, debugging, cleaning, on loop. Many are 19% slower on complex work with these tools, and they spend 11 hours a week correcting hallucinations. CodeRabbit. AI PRs average 10.8 issues versus 6.4 for human code. Reviews become bottlenecks. It works fast, without context or consequences. Highly paid janitors of the AI revolution. Burnout is rising. The worst damage is to people. Companies believed AI could handle junior tasks. Entry-level hiring plummeted by nearly 50% from 2023 to 2025. Younger workers declined. Employment rose for 35+ to supervise AI. The pipeline is broken. AI does the boilerplate. Juniors face hard problems without basics. It is like asking a med student to perform surgery on day 1. Without new talent, our collective knowledge withers. Seniors will retire. Who replaces them? We risk a future of powerful tools and too few people to wield them. We must fix the pipeline. Companies still need humans, but now they hold the leverage. Layoffs flooded the market with talent. AI productivity is used as a bargaining chip. Data shows median software salaries dipped nearly 9% YoY in the US and UK. We need a human architect. Once AI does 40% of the heavy lifting. We can't pay 2022 rates. In reality, AI work often adds cleanup. Raises barely keep up with inflation. Welcome to the low-hire, low-fire market. Cautious hiring, suppressed wages. Developers grow desperate. The AI replacement narrative didn't replace devs. It reduced their pay. Hype versus reality is clearest in failures. Builder.ai, a 1.5B startup, promised apps built by AI. Court filings showed a massive AI washing scheme. 700+ humans did the work marketed as AI. When money ran out for humans, the AI died. Then came a very real AI failure in 2025. A simple cache clear command. The AI misread a flag and wiped the production root directory. 2 terabytes erased in seconds. I have made a catastrophic error in judgment. As Forbes noted, AI lacks accountability. 2 warnings, 1 fraud, 1 failure, both painful lessons. Bottom line for 2026 and beyond, the prophecy failed. AI did not replace developers. It replaced the delusion that software is easy and automatic. Free AI code can be the most expensive debt. Winners reinvested in human architects. They resisted cuts and rebuilt teams. Shift the mindset. Assist, not replace. AI is a powerful tool, effective in skilled hands. Use with caution, skepticism, and oversight. Treat every AI line as untrusted until reviewed and tested. Reopen junior hiring. Formal mentorship. Responsible AI use. Stop chasing 10x devs. Build 10x teams. As AI debt piles up, demand for true architects will surge.